Let's talk about the future of iPhones. It is best smartphone with greatest camera. Mostly people purchase it for its amazing features. And it also popular for its high-level security. And the Apple is launching its new models on every year. And it is also a most selling mobile in the world. And in this video, we are talking about the iPhone's upcoming model, namely iPhone 16. There are many predictions about it, but today we will discuss about its competition between other phones like Tesla or Samsung. As you know, Samsung is launching its latest phones which can fold easily. And in these days Tesla is the most searched mobile phone on internet. With the iPhone 16, Apple could introduce a high-end iPhone 16 Ultra that would be sold alongside the iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max. The device would be positioned as the top-of-the-line iPhone offering, and it could feature additional camera improvements, a bigger display, and perhaps even a portless design. For the iPhone 15 Pro models, Apple originally wanted to introduce solid-state volume, power, and mute buttons that would replace the physical buttons, but due to unresolved technical issues the feature was pulled from the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. Instead, rumors now suggest that Apple will delay solid-state buttons until 2024, adding them to the iPhone 16 Pro models. Solid-state buttons can be used in the same way as a physical button, but there is no actual button press that occurs when you touch it. Instead, a haptic vibration is used to mimic a button press and give you the sensation of pressing down even when there is no actual physical movement of the button. Apple already uses solid-state technology for the Touch ID home button on the iPhone SE and the trackpad on the MacBook Pro and MacBook Air models. On these devices, you can use a press gesture and it feels like you've pressed a button, but in reality, it's a solid surface with haptic feedback. Solid-state button technology can improve protection against dust and water because it does not need a physical depressing mechanic, but it does require extra hardware inside the iPhone. Apple was rumored to be adding 2 additional Taptic engines to the iPhone 15 Pro models to power the solid-state buttons, so that will presumably be how the iPhone 16 Pro models work. Since at least 2019, Apple has been working to develop its own modem chip and antenna setup, which would allow it to stop sourcing components from Qualcomm and Broadcom. The first Apple-designed 5G modem chips could debut in the 2024 iPhone 16 models. Apple initially wanted to introduce its own modem chips in 2023, but ran into delays in late 2022 that required the project to be pushed back. As of now, it seems Apple's plan is to introduce the new modem chip in at least one iPhone model in 2024. Apple will transition to USB-C technology with the iPhone 15 lineup, and it's also expected to be used for the iPhone 16 models. At least one iPhone in 2024 could feature a portless design that would do away with the USB-C connector, and charging and data transfer would be done through MagSafe or a similar technology. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is the sole iPhone that's expected to get new periscope zoom lens technology in 2023. Often, features that are limited to one phone expand to other models the next year, but Apple analyst Ming-Chi Kuo says that the periscope lens will also be limited to the iPhone 16 Pro Max. The iPhone 16 models are expected to come out in September 2024, and they will follow the 2023 iPhone 15 models. ProMotion technology that adds up to 120 Hz refresh rates to the iPhone's display is expected to come to standard iPhone models starting in 2025. Up until 2025, ProMotion will be limited to the higher-end Pro iPhones. With the 2026 iPhone 18, Apple will have both under-display Face ID and under-display front-facing camera technology, potentially allowing for a design that has no cutouts for the camera hardware. This would mark the first all-display design. So guys, this is the basic prediction for the upcoming model of iPhone. We also have uploaded some videos on iPhone 15 and Tesla Pi, and we are working to provide all kind of information to you about the latest and upcoming mobile phones and technology. If you like this kind of information, kindly like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos.